Look at this beautiful bloom. Why did I pour over it?
Oh.
Thank you for joining me today. If you're unaware, just take a moment and Google what's going on in Western North Carolina, Eastern Tennessee, and Northern Georgia. So in this video today, I am coming just to have a little bit of fun, and I was working on some jars of love and trying out just some different color palettes. As you can see in the corner, I had lots of jars made at this point, but the purpose of this video is to inspire you to try, of course, your double cell activator with your black and white, but also trying your black as a pouring medium. So instead of doing your double cell activator, try putting black over all of your colors and seeing what happens and what you get. And so that's exactly what I'm doing in this video, using some classic color combinations. This is another one of the videos that I was able to recover. So this was actually done last year, and I'm just putting it out there this year because I was able to recover about 8 videos that I never was able to post. But I'm layering my colors as usual, and I'm going to do a blowout here in just a second. I'm using a double cell activator in this bloom, and then in the next bloom, I'm going to use a black pouring medium on top of all of my colors with a single white cell activator. So I actually put too much cell activator per usual, but my cells are holding up really well, and I used that straw to break up some more of that cell activator. And you can see I don't want to spend too much more because my cells are becoming oblong due to gravity and inertia, all of those forces. So I'm just going to do a little more spinning, and then I'm going to call this piece complete. All right, so as I said earlier, I was doing a lot of color testing and playing around here. So some of these colors are actually different from the previous bloom. Not these first two, but the blue, green, and purple that are coming up are not the iridescent green and teal that I used in the first bloom. I apologize. I did not record these colors, so I cannot tell you exactly what they are. That does look like TLP Sapphire. So I think that is what that is. And I think this is Lily Pad by TLP, but I'm not 100% sure. But more so the point of the video, watch, I'm going to actually put black over all of my colors after I lay down this custom mixed purple. And I want you to see how the black just gives us a whole different vibe. Like it darkens the colors, it kind of mutes them, but this color palette is absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I am still using my regular cell activator recipe. However, I accidentally left the cell activator out for about 2 days, so it has thickened up a bit, and you're gonna see that difference in just a moment when we blow this out. All right, so if you notice, I'm not getting a lot of cells, but you can see how circular they are, and that's really good for stretching. So I'm kind of slowing things down just a little bit. You see, I'm not getting a lot of cell reaction, but watch as this piece will develop. All right, so y'all, how are we feeling about these colors? I am loving this soft yet um, bold and luxurious color palette. And you can see I have a big blob of cell activator in the center, which a lot of people don't like, but I actually love. And let's take a look. Yeah, let's dig in a little bit and actually see what it looked like before the spin. So there are the cells. Now look what has developed after the spin. Okay, so we see a lot of cells, and look how beautiful those cells are in that area. And so now I'm going to blow out a little more of that white. I actually like the white center, but I do want to make it a little bit smaller. So of course I'm using my straw. All right, so friends, Look at the cells now, and they're still keeping their shape. And notice the colors are actually changing. As we spin, we're spinning more paint off, we're thinning out that pigment. So our blues and purples have really lightened up quite a bit. If you scroll back a minute ago, excuse me, you will see that they were much more vibrant. But I still loving this color. And I would definitely, it's about time to call this piece complete. Okay, so my favorite part of this entire balloon is that top part where the white cell activator is hanging out on that black right there. Woo wee, baby. Also, friends, both of these pieces are sold. They have new homes. And before I let you go, I just want to show you one more amazing thing. So, baby, if you enjoy this video, I think you'll really enjoy these colors. Similar color palette, but amazing results. Check out the link right here. And once again, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Peace.